Robotaxi is going to work. Unsupervised is going to happen. Autonomous vehicles and Optimus are going to change human civilization in ways not seen since the printing press. But right this minute, the bears, the Tesla bears, they're in control. The evidence is not going the bull's way. The disappointments are mounting. And the stock, even with a successful rollout of Semi coming up, is worth maybe $220 tops without Robotaxi and Optimus. Let me restate it another way. Robotaxi is going to work without LiDAR. We don't have to change anything. It's going to work. But we were expecting a miracle yesterday, and we didn't get it. What did we get? We got an FSD version that has thousands of miles already this morning, with dozens of professional critics with bullish bents that are reporting not a single misfire by 14.3 that would or should concern NISTA. Not even close. The misses were things like, not handling a Starbucks drive-through perfectly, having an issue in one parking garage, and a few edge cases not being perfect with parking in some of the world's most horrific parking lots. Staying in the left lane when it could move over is not a safety issue. The closest thing I've seen so far would be an imperfect transaction involving a traffic officer and his hand directions to the car. So, on the one hand, victory. On the other hand, the fact that we're still having all these issues is likely why we don't have a robotaxi yet. The fact that it took months longer to get to 14.3 than projected is probably why we don't have safety riders out in Austin and safety drivers out in the Bay Area. It must have been way harder than expected. Well, we finally got it. But the KPIs are not compelling enough. They might be at 98.9% of expectations, but they're not at 99.1. That little tiny difference is the abundance of caution that I think Elon has continually pointed to. We are not getting a run-up in the stock until and unless we solve this completely and convincingly. It has to be convincingly. We had a rally overnight based on the relief about the war. That's all it was. But it couldn't sustain this morning when the FSD rides just didn't measure up. I fully expect to see 14.3.1 in a week or two. I mean, really, really fast, solving some of these minor issues. But the question I have is, why didn't they solve these minor issues when they were testing with their own inside team? Why didn't they catch them over the last week when they had their employees out driving them around? Why did it take our Tesla community folks going out and testing these to run into, 6 specific issues it would seem like could have been found by the other teams? Anyway, the smart guys in the FSD department will keep dialing in the details. I think we're going to get something very, very credible or even incredible very soon. I suspect that there's mounting pressure to get this done by April 22nd, or at least I hope there is. I do expect an absolute explosion in the price when the ChatGPT moment happens. I would say it could be 10% the first day. If there is clear and convincing, and nobody argues, okay, it's done. It's not having any of these little issues. It's not having any safety issues. We're seeing it across the board, and we're starting to see people being pulled out of those vehicles, and these individual workers being taken out of the vehicles in Austin. Maybe we even see some kind of progress in California. We start to see some of these other cities opening up with or without safety riders, but we start seeing an expansion across the board. I think when that GPT moment happens, we'll be up 10% the first day. It's not unusual for Tesla. But in this case, if it goes overnight and everything's still looking good the next day, we could have a second 10% move the next day. It's that much of a coiled spring, in my opinion. Maybe it takes 3 days to get 20%. I don't know. But I think if there's no bad news the entire first week that the Teslas are moving out, and if we see consistent and constant acceleration towards this robotaxi future for a whole week, we might get back to 500 in a single week. Maybe it takes 10 days. Maybe it takes 2 weeks, but it's going to happen very fast. Now, if robotaxi is spreading rapidly, like for instance, maybe we get up to Elon's 500 cars in Austin, or we get up to 1,500 cars without any kind of assistance in the car. We get the 1,500 cars up in Northern California. I think we could go through the $500 mark because there's so many other things that have been happening that have been so positive, but they couldn't move the stock because everybody's looking at robotaxi. It's all anybody's caring about. The news, I report the news every day, twice a day, 3 times a day. And the news, I can't remember a time when the daily news has been as good as this. So I remain a bull. I mean, I remain an Uber bull. I think that's what I've been called on Tesla. But I'm from Missouri. I actually am. And I think there's a lot of Tesla potential investors who are metaphorically from Missouri right now. Show me.